Buying crypto for the first time can feel confusing, especially when you're in Europe and you're not sure which platform to trust and how the payment process works or what verification is required. But what if there was a platform that could make the entire process much simpler? In this video, I'll show you how it works and take you through the complete process of buying crypto step by step. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Journal. If you have seen my previous videos about Europe's new crypto rules and Paybis, today I'll take it a step further and show you how to actually buy crypto on Paybis. Step by step, I'll walk you through the setup, verification, payment options, fees, and a complete buying process so you can understand what to expect before making a purchase. Before getting into the actual purchase, let's quickly understand what is Paybis. Paybis is a cryptocurrency platform that allows users to buy and sell crypto using traditional currencies such as euros, US dollars, and British pounds. Instead of using a complicated trading interface, Paybis focuses on making the process relatively straightforward for people who want to convert fiat currency into cryptocurrency. For example, if you're in Europe and have euros in your bank account or an eligible payment method, you can use Paybis to purchase supported cryptocurrencies. The exact payment method, currencies, limits, and available services can depend on your country and location. I already covered more about Paybis, Europe's crypto regulations, and why Paybis could be a relevant option in my previous two videos. So if you want a better understanding of Paybis before continuing with this tutorial, I recommend checking out those videos. I have added the links in the description. Step 1. Visit Paybis and complete verification. If you're new to Paybis, click the link in my description below and sign up for Paybis. Once you log in, you'll see a clean and simple interface where you can buy, sell, or swap crypto. But before making your first purchase, you'll need to complete a quick KYC verification. Don't worry, the process is quite simple and can take just a couple of minutes depending on your verification. First, click Start Verification and select where you're from. If you are from the USA, simply select United States of America and click Continue. Next, enter your basic information such as your tax residence country, state, city, address, and postal code. After that, Paybis may ask you to upload a few required documents and complete the verification steps. Once your verification is approved, you can return to the main dashboard and start buying crypto. Step 2. Choose your currency and amount. You'll see a clean dashboard with options like buy, sell, swap, wallet, and history for this guide. I'll focus on the buy option. Before making a purchase, make sure your account verification is completed. Now, click buy. Here you'll see two sections. You spend and you receive. In the first section, choose the currency you want to pay with. For example, if you are in the US and you can select USD, while Europe users can select EUR where supported. Then enter the amount you want to spend. For example, if I entered 1000 USD, Paybis automatically shows the estimated amount of Bitcoin I'll receive based on the current code. You can also change the cryptocurrency by clicking the crypto selection box. So if you don't want Bitcoin, you can select another supported cryptocurrency. You'll also notice a promo code option here. If you're using my promo code, make sure to enter it before completing your purchase. According to the promotion terms shown for my offer, it can provide no Paybis fees on up to your first 5 eligible purchases. Just check the current promo terms before confirming, since promotion can change. Most importantly, don't just look at the amount you're spending. Check the final crypto amount, exchange rate, and applicable fees before you continue. Step 3. Choose your payment method. Now let's look at the payment options. When I see Euro, for example, Paybis shows several available methods, including credit, debit card, Revolt Pay, Skrill, and SEPA bank transfer. You'll notice that each option can show a different crypto amount and fee structure. For example, a bank transfer may offer a different rate or fee compared with paying by card. The available options, limits, and payment methods can also depend on your country. So simply choose a payment method that's available to you and that you're comfortable using. Before clicking buy Bitcoin, compare the options and select one that gives you the payment experience and final amount you're happy with. Step 4. Choose your wallet and review the purchase. After selecting your payment method, click buy Bitcoin to continue. Now Paybis will ask you where you want to receive your Bitcoin. As you can see here, there are two options: Paybis wallet or external wallet. If you already have your own crypto wallet, select external wallet and enter your Bitcoin wallet address. You can also use the scan QR if your wallet previous a QR code. Make sure the wallet address is correct before continuing. Crypto transaction can be irreversible, so double check the address and network. If you prefer to keep your crypto inside Paybis, you can select the Paybis wallet option subject to the account requirements shown by the Paybis. After choosing your wallet, click Continue. Step 5. Select your payment method. After clicking Continue, you'll now reach the payment screen here. Paybis shows the payment methods available for your transactions. In this example, I can see Apple Pay, Google Pay, and New Card. Simply select the payment method you want to use. If you're using Apple Pay, for example, just select Apple Pay and click the Pay button. If you prefer to use a card, select the new card and enter your card details. Before completing the payment, Paybis also reminds you that the transaction is non-refundable. So make sure you have checked all the details carefully. Once everything looks correct, proceed with your selected payment method and complete the payment. This is what I like about Paybis. It keeps the whole crypto buying process simple. You don't need to be an experienced crypto trader or understand complicated trading tools. Paybis guides you through each step from choosing your crypto to completing the purchase, making it much easier for beginners to get started. And Paybis isn't just about buying crypto. You can also sell your crypto directly through the platform, making it easy to convert your digital asset back into fiat currency when needed. There's also a swap option which lets you exchange one supported cryptocurrency for another without having to leave the Paybis platform. If you want to keep track of your assets, Paybis also provides a wallet section where you can view supported cryptocurrencies, balances, wallet addresses, and manage your crypto. Another useful feature is the transaction history. Here, you can review your previous activity and see details such as the transaction amount, cryptocurrency, invoice, and current status. Paybis also gives you access to crypto price information where you can check prices 24 hours changes, market cap, trading volume, and other market data for different cryptocurrencies. And if you want to quickly check the value of Bitcoin, there's a Bitcoin calculator as well. You can enter an amount of BTC and instantly see its approximate value in USD, Euro, or another supported currency. So as you can see, Paybis offers more than just buying crypto. You can buy, sell, swap, manage your crypto, track transactions, check market prices, and use additional tools, all from one platform. Security should be one of your biggest priorities when dealing with cryptocurrency. Use a strong, unique password for your account and enable additional security features when available. Never share password, verification codes, private keys, or wallet recovery phrase with anyone. Also, be careful with fake Paybis websites, sponsors, search results, social media accounts, and messages asking you to send crypto, unlock your account. Always access the service through the official Paybis website or official application before investing in crypto. It's important to understand that cryptocurrency is a high-risk investment. Prices can be extremely volatile, and you could potentially lose some or even all of your investment. Crypto market can also face liquidity issues, cyber attacks, scams, and platform or technology failures. There may also be limited investor protection depending on your country and the specific crypto asset or service you use. Crypto can be complex, so always do your own research, understand what you're investing in, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversifying your investment can also help reduce your exposure to a single asset. This is not financial advice. Always consider the risk before making an investment decision. So that's a quick look at how Paybis works and some of the main features available on the platform. If you want to check out Paybis for yourself, I've left the link in the description. Just make sure to review the current rates, fees, and transaction details before completing any purchase. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to Crypto Journal for more straightforward crypto guides, platform walkthroughs, and beginner-friendly content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.